Hi student. So today we're going to do revision. Okay, we have done for this chapter, but today lesson you're going to learn how to form the biggest and the smallest number. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, okay, you are able to form the biggest and smallest number. Okay, let us look at this question. Now, as you can see, there are 4 different cards with different numbers, right? So there are 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? So there are 4 numbers. Okay, so look at question 1. Use 2 cards to form the biggest number. So now this question is asking you to form a biggest number. So always read carefully the sentence. Okay, they ask this question asking you to form the biggest number. Okay, use 2 cards. So you're going to choose 2 cards. Okay, there is a biggest number. So as you can see, 3 is the biggest number, right? So now you're going to choose another number. So compare 0, 1, and 2. Which one is the biggest number? So the biggest number is 2, right? So these are the 2 numbers. These are the 2 cards. You're going to form the biggest number. So how to form the biggest number? Now, with these 2 numbers, you can either write it become 32, right? Or you can form it become 23. So we can see there is only 2 numbers, so we only can make these 2 numbers only, which is 32 and 23. So which one is the biggest number? 32 or 23? So the answer is 32. Okay, so when you write down your answer, make sure there is no comma, alright? There is no comma. So the answer is 32. Okay, now look at next questions. Number 2. Use 2 cards to form the smallest number. Now we're going to make the smallest number. So look back the diagram. There are 4 different numbers. So we're going to choose the smallest number. So the smallest number, yes, 1 and 0, right? So we're going to form these 2 number, okay, to form the smallest number. So do not begin with 0. So you cannot write like this. Okay, 0, 1 means the value is 1. Alright, so do not begin with 0. So that means the only way you can write out is 10. So this is the answer. Okay, now question 3. Use 2 cards to form number smaller than 30. Use 2 cards to form a numbers. Okay, so we're going to make, okay, to form a numbers that are smaller than 30. So first of all, there are 4 numbers. So the smallest number, we know that is 10. Okay, and then what numbers that we can form? 12, right? Or 13, because there are 1 and 3. 13. What else? 23. Okay. How about 31? Can we write 31? Because the question asking you, use 2 cards to form a number smaller than 30. That means the only number that you can write down is only between 1 to 29. Okay, because they ask you to form a number smaller than 30. So you cannot write 31. So these are the number, okay, that you can form, okay, which is smaller than 30. So student, you can try to do workbook page 16. So page 16, okay, I already give the example, okay, which is this, okay, it's similar this. So you can try it out, okay, and then can try to do 17 and 18. So after you finish your workbook, okay, you can try a quiz, okay, that I prepare for you. Okay, thank you.